And here's the party of A Silent One Adventure. So Sun Life Cycling PH. So ito ang hirap kapag wala kang training for the past 1 month mahigit. So yun, medyo yan, namumulikat na, pero konting-konti lang matapos na natin yung event na ito at makakapunta na tayo sa finish line. May lang, konti lang. Hey, ito isang ruta. So, konti yung finish line na. Pero nakaka-53 kilometers na tayo. Nabulikat pa rin ba? Lasi akong train. And here we go na guys. So success ang challenge ngayon, 45 kilometers. So done, finisher. So let's get our medal. And yan na nga. So yun, pahinga tayo dun sa bit mamaya. Then quick tour lang, then uwi na rin tayo.
Sun Life Cycle PH and hashtag Live Brighter Together. That's the second reminder. Hopefully we get to see everybody. Hopefully you do it again next year. Alright, lost and found. Sobrang excited. Somebody dropped their phone. If I'm not mistaken, this is
So ayan nga, pipila din tayo dyan para mag-picture sa Miss Sun Life. Marami nagpa-picture dyan since dyan yung mga pangalan natin, lahat ng participants sa event na ito yan. So more years to come, Cycling PH, see you next year. So yun, more challenge. At sana marami pang marami pa sumali at marami makilahok ng mga cycler dyan or bikers dyan. So see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!